Okay, so we're out here. Management's decided that her Suzuki Sidekick needs a new engine, so we're on our way out to pick. I'm gonna try and find us a good 16 valve, and we're gonna pull it and film part of it at least. So I gotta keep driving. Stop for some breakfast of champions. Alright, so we've just finished grabbing our engine. It actually went smoother than I thought. About 45 minutes to an hour, would you say, to get it out of the tracker. And most of the stuff was still in there. But it is a record car, so it's not like I care about the stuff I'm taking out. But like 45 to an hour to get it out. Another probably hour of taking off things that I don't need that they're going to charge me for, and stuff I need from another tracker. Wanted a PCM, couldn't find one, but I have the wiring harness and everything else, so I can find a PCM somewhere else. But that'll be good, so now it's time to drive on home and get this thing unloaded somehow. Okay, so what have we got? We've got our new 16 valve 1.6, new to us. We've got some 2x4s to make a couple of ramps so I can slide it down off the truck. And we've got a furniture dolly once it's out of the truck so I can move it around. I would like to say I do normally have access to an engine hoist, but not today because it's where my dad and I store our cars and it's too late today to go get it. So I'm going to make do with some ramps. So we'll get those made up and get this thing out of the truck. That wasn't so bad. stay. Kind of. And time. May have seen me fumbling around with that. I did knock it over a little bit, but it just fell in the exhaust manifold. A little beam there in front of the crank pulley. Edge of the pan is there. Across that beam. And ratchet strap for safety. And another beam here, sitting under the motor mount, and this ear on the block. So there we go. A 16 valve for management's little Sidekick. I'm going to be doing a few things before I put this in. I'm going to do a timing belt. I'll probably reseal the lower end. I'm not going to go crazy with it though. Out of all the 16 valves that yard had, this was the cleanest one with the most compression. So should be good. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.